This poem is called A Shame, written by yours truly. You know say our politician them no have no etiquette, decency, empathy, no shame. In a campaign they make us promises. When them get elected, that them can't sustain. They must be disillusional or them no have no brain. Some of the thing them bragging on when them on campaign, water, electricity and road. Them ya people ya no governed by no code. Them should be ashamed. Apologizing to the country if uno a use uno brain. 63 years of independence and the basic need of the people uno can't obtain. So many have no running water in them house, pipes still empty, living in darkness, have no electricity. Road come in like down a gully. How much decade now? We gain independent almost a century. And uno still can't provide our basic necessity and come a brag an accomplishment. Uno all should be ashamed.